Let's take a look at how those markets are doing right now. I've got it over here to my right. It looks like still the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up right now about 150 points. So that is good news. It looks like stocks are not completely cratering due to this travel headache that a lot of folks are going to be facing. We're going to bring in Lydia Moynihan now. She's our economic contributor. And Lydia, what are investors watching for today? What stocks are you watching for to see how they're impacted by this nationwide ground stop?
Well, the good news is all major indices are opening higher today. The NASDAQ is actually on track for a 4-day winning streak. And I think initially, we saw markets a little concerned that maybe there was something bigger here at play, but it doesn't seem like there's any terrorism concerns. It seems like it really is just a really horrible glitch. But that's good news for markets because they always get a little freaked out by exogenous concerns. So it seems like it is business as usual. They're obviously looking at bigger concerns like inflation, what the Federal Reserve is going to do. Do want to note it looks like some of the airline stocks are struggling at the open. United, JetBlue, Delta. Some of those stocks could be getting hit a little bit hard by this technical glitch.
Right. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is those nice blue chip stocks. It's not necessarily just your airlines. So if we were to look at specifically the airline sector, we might see some drop.
Exactly. And of course, this is on the heels of a disastrous Christmas where, these airlines are just losing a lot of money, hopefully compensating people for canceled flights and whatnot. But this is certainly not good news for airline investors, just on the heels of everything that's been happening with massive delays.
Well, yeah, and I believe Southwest announced that it had lost more than $800 million. I believe that was the figure due to that was their estimate due to some of the issues that they faced. And they might be facing some issues here because their system is kind of antiquated. So certainly we have heard, you did mention terrorism. We have heard from the president, from the transportation secretary, Pete Buttigieg, that they do not believe that this was any sort of a cyber attack or any sort of terrorism, just a glitch, as you just mentioned. What would you see if we thought there might be terrorism? Is that a cause for a massive sell-off on Wall Street?
100%. I think markets react very quickly to any sort of concern. We saw, of course, during the outbreak of COVID, markets tumbled just precipitously. Anything that could have an impact on the global economy is going to have a huge impact on markets. So any sort of big event like that, of course, if there was a terrorist attack at that kind of scale, that's something you mentioned we really haven't seen in the U.S. since 9/11. Of course, after 9/11, stocks were very troubled, understandably. So markets just want to know it's sort of business as usual, and there aren't going to be any sort of global events that are necessarily going to change the course of history. So I think markets are probably sort of just relieved that there's nothing more at this point that seems to be going on here. That's what the word is from the president and the Department of Treasury Secretary. So that's good news.
Yeah, you said the words. You said the words, Lydia.
Day.
Business as usual. It does look like it is business as usual on Wall Street. Lydia Moynihan, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.